Welcome back to another OTD video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Boulevard V case. This is Mix 2 for 2024, hitting Walmart stores right now in the United States. If you were looking for the case in your local store, it is designated by the GJT68 case code here, and then obviously the V case for Mix 2. So this is only the second mix for 2024. And we got a couple to go still, but we do have car number 100 for the Hot Wheels Boulevard series in here. So series started in 2020, and now we're, five years later, we're on the 100th car. So about 25 cars a year. All right, so let's pop this open, and we're gonna just go through these really quick and see what's in here. It is monsooning at my house here in Phoenix, Arizona, so if you do hear some thunder, that is what the rumbling is in the background. All right, so first out of the case, we have the 60s Fiat 500D Modificado. So this is number, my finger's covering it up there, 97. So this one is kind of your mint green gelato flavor, I guess you could call it. Not to get too Italian on you here, though. Just a very nice mint green color, some red wheels. Did narrowly miss out on the Supra of this casting this year, but still on the hunt for that one. But this is a nice addition to the Boulevard line. So I got two of those, obviously. As with all the cars in this case, you'll have two per case. Next car out of the case, we have the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32. So this is Godzilla on Godzilla. Check that out. We have a Godzilla graphic on the side, little baby Godzilla, right? Little slash marks, Skyline on the sides there and on the top. All in white with gold rims. So this one is obviously insanely popular. Number 99 of this Boulevard line. So, third car out of the case is the 2021 Toyota GR Supra. So Formula Drift fans might recognize this car. It is a Formula Drift car, but it's not a race car. It's actually the camera car, driven by photographer Larry Chen. So you could actually see this car racing alongside, but it's not a race car in the fact that you'll see the camera mounted to the top of here. You'll see it's sponsored by, appropriately so, Canon and GR Toyota. Number 96 in the series. Very cool. So this is not one of the first cars that Hot Wheels have paired with for, Larry Chen for, but definitely a appropriate one considering all the Formula Drift cars we've seen so far. All right, next car out of the case is number 98 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Just a pretty solid release here. Nothing too crazy or special, at least to my knowledge, about this one. What does the license plate say? AV Reformi. Oh, obviously a VR4 for me, right? A VR for me, of course. All right, so nice color there, gold rims. So just a crazy, nice little car that you could see driving down your typical boulevard. Appropriately so for the line. And then the last car out of the case is a special one indeed. It is number 100 out of this very popular Hot Wheels line, and it is actually a pretty rare color of the new Lamborghini Countach LP 800-4. So this was actually a Japan exclusive color of the real car. I think it was actually Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong actually said that this was the first color to appear in Japan, and only 112 of these were actually made. So 112 of the actual real car were made. Slightly more of the Boulevard release, obviously, but this is number 100. You got some special Easter eggs in the card art. You see the fireworks in the sky versus the non-100. So, and then you also have, you can see the reflection in the window, obviously. And I think there, yep, on the curb there's number 100 as the little address marker. See, missing there. So, some cool little Easter eggs there for you. Pretty special car indeed. We have number 100 here. So out of this whole set, we have, let's see, 90, started 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So 5 cars in this mix, 2 of each in the case. The Toyota Supra, the 500D Fiat, Mitsubishi 3000 GT, Nissan Skyline R32, and the Lamborghini Countach. So all in all, great mix from Hot Wheels Boulevard. Obviously, Walmart exclusive in the United States. Very hard to find. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the other unboxings that I've done. And thanks for watching.